If you've ever seen emergency override pop up on your iPhone while charging, here's what it really means. When you plug in your iPhone and get a message like liquid detected in lighting connector, your phone is warning you that moisture has been found in the charging port. In this case, Apple automatically disables charging to prevent short circuiting or permanent damage. The emergency override option allows you to bypass that safety feature, meaning you can continue charging your phone even if liquid is detected. However, this should only be used in true emergencies, like when your phone is about to die and you need it for critical communication. Keep in mind, using emergency override can damage your iPhone's port or battery if moisture is still present. The safer option is to unplug your device, gently dry the port with a soft cloth, and let it air out for at least 3 minutes before trying again. So, in short, emergency override is Apple's last resort option. It lets you charge in urgent situations, but you're taking the risk of hardware damage if the port is still wet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.